and welcome to our new grammar lesson, Possessive Nouns. By the end of this session, you should be able to. So what is a possessive noun? A possessive noun shows ownership. Means, for example, if I'm talking about a car, the car belongs to my dad. Or a house, the house belongs to them. Or the school belongs to this man. So it shows an ownership of who owns the thing that we're talking about. So what is a singular possessive noun? We have studied last week about the nouns, plural and singular nouns. So if I want to form the possessive noun, I have to look at the noun first, whether it is a singular or plural noun. So a singular possessive noun shows that one person, place, or thing has or owns something. A plural possessive noun shows that more than one person, place, or thing has or owns something. To make a singular noun show now how to form the singular possessive noun. What do I add? To make a singular noun show a possession, add an apostrophe and an S. Like what? The ranch's landscape. Or there should be here, this is another example. A ranch's landscape. Here the word ranch is singular and there is, of course, there is no S here. So what do I add? I stick to the big rule, apostrophe and an S. Apostrophe and S. So I added here apostrophe and S. Okay, what about James's coat? Here I have the word James. James is a proper noun. Of course, it's a name of a man. It's one. Okay, so it's a singular. Okay, so I look at this S. What is it? Is it a plural S or just a part of the word? So James, there is no plural here. So it's a part of the word. So what do? I stick to the big rule. What is the big rule? Apostrophe and S. To make a plural noun. So now how to form the plural noun, the plural possessive noun. To make a plural noun that ends in S. Now I have a plural S at the end. Show possession, add an apostrophe only. So here these are the examples. 5 writers collections. So I have here this word writers. What is this S? Is it a plural S or a part of the word? No, I have writer and writers. This is the plural. Okay, so if I have a plural S, what do I add? I go to this subrule, I add only an S. So, I add only an apostrophe. So I added an apostrophe. Okay. The bushes leaves. Now I have this word bushes. So I look at the last S. What is it? Is it a plural S or a part of the word? I know the word is bush, this small tree. So of course, and it ends in SH. So if I want to form the plural, I add ES. So this ES is the plural S. So if I have a plural S, what do? I add apostrophe only. Here, this is an apostrophe only. These are other examples. To make a plural noun that doesn't end in S. Now, the plural doesn't end in S. It's an irregular plural like children, mice, moose, whatever. So to make a plural noun that doesn't end in S, show possession, add an apostrophe and S. Okay, so what have we done here? We went back to the big rule. If we don't see an S in the noun, we go to the big rule. What is the big rule? Apostrophe S. So here I have the word children, the children's books. Okay, children is a plural, yes, we know, but is there an S at the end? Is there a plural S at the end? No. So what do? I add apostrophe S, as the big rule says. The women's ideas, of course, women is plural, but there is no plural S, so I add an apostrophe S. Let's look at some exercises from your book. Write each noun as a possessive noun. Write S if the possessive noun is singular. Write P if the possessive noun is plural. So the first word is parents. What do? I look at the last letter here. It's an S. Parents. So is this a plural S or just a part of the word? It is a plural S. What do if I have a plural S? I add apostrophe only. Parents. What is it? Plural. Singular or plural? It's a plural. Okay, photo. Do I see here any S's? No. So what do? I add apostrophe S. Photos, and photo is a singular. Child. Do I see any S's? No, child is singular, so I add apostrophe S. Child's, and it's singular. Miss Mayor. Of course, I have here the title and then the proper noun. So what do? Which word should I add the apostrophe S? I add to the last one. Okay, so it will be Miss Myers or Mayers. I have here the an apostrophe S because there is no S, and it is singular. The same. Yeah, this is stories, not stores. It's stories in the book, I think. So stories has a plural S. So what do? I add apostrophe only, and it's a plural. Country. Is there any plural S's? No. So I add apostrophe S. Countries, singular. Okay, what about James? James has an S in his name, and this is his name. So this is not a plural S. So what do? I use the big rule, apostrophe S, and it is singular. Teeth. What about teeth? Do I see here a plural S? No. So what do? I add apostrophe S. Teeth is. Okay. Yes, I know it's a plural, but it doesn't end with a plural S. Add an apostrophe or an apostrophe and S to make the underlined nouns possessive. Write the possessive. Yes, of course I'm going to write them. Ghost Ranch Hills. This is a name of a ranch. Ghost Ranch Hills looked red and green. So we said if we have two words, I add the possessive to the last word. Ranch here doesn't have any plural S's or anything, so I add apostrophe S. Ghost ranches. The reptiles, I have the word reptiles, and it has a plural S. Reptiles. So I add apostrophe only. Reptiles. Animals have a plural S. So what do? I add apostrophe only. Animals. The herd young were left behind. Okay, so now here young refers to the plural. Okay, so but we are not adding here. We look at the underlined word, which is herd, which is a collective noun, and we look here. Is there a plural S? No. So what do? I add apostrophe S. Herds young were left behind. Number 13, the predator, teeth. Now I look at the predator. Do I see here a plural S? No. So what do? I add apostrophe S. The dinosaurs' necks were curved and twisted. Dinosaurs has a plural S. So what do? I add apostrophe only. Dinosaurs. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can go to the discussion room and post your question there. Thanks and see you.